Hi, welcome to SPS Unpacked. Today we're unpacking Acor QuikStrip cases. Inside the box, we have Acor's best-selling cushion EVA and microcell Puff 35 in the color blue and black. Each strip is 3.2 millimeters thick and it has a shore hardness of 35. We also have their softest and lightest EVA, the P-cell in the color pink. These strips have a shore hardness of 20 and is 3.2 millimeters thick. And finally, we have a P-cell plus EcoCell Professional, perfect for the diabetic top cover lamination. These strips are made of EVA and medical polyurethane and are 4.7 millimeters thick with a shore hardness of 20. Each case comes with 28 strips. The 5 by 15-inch strips take up to 95% less space than the typical formats, so they are easy to move, shift, count, and control inventory. With the QuikStrips, there is no need to spend time cutting sheets to a usable size. They're ready to go when you need it. QuikStrips allow you to quickly and easily cut orthotic top covers, cushioning, distal end pads, prosthetic liners, or AFO interfaces. Acor QuikStrips cases are a great option to help you easily manage inventory and save time. Visit spsco.com to learn more. Thank you for watching, and if you haven't already, please like, comment, and subscribe.